Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this Ethiopian potato and lamb, or sega bedinich. So let's get started on this. It's very, very simple. So in my pan, I'm going to start off with some oil. I'm also adding some of the lamb fat. You don't have to do that. I'm just going to render that down a little bit. We are on an above a medium heat. Just as that renders down a little bit, I'm going to add 3 cups of lamb. This is a beautiful, nice cut of lamb that I've got here. It's nearly all meat. You know, you can do this with bone in it, but I'm going with nearly all meat here. So very beautiful, lean cuts of the lamb here. And we're going to let this go for about 6 minutes, stirring often. Okay, beautiful. Next up, let's add some more ingredients to this. I've got 1 cup of onion, which I've sliced. I'm using a red onion. To that, we're going to be adding turmeric, or heard as it's known. About 2 teaspoons of that. Better get some salt in the mix, or to taste. And I'm going to add some garlic, like a tablespoon of chopped garlic. And once again, we're going to throw this around for about another 4 to 5 minutes. So this is a really, really simple dish of oil, meat, onions, garlic, salt, turmeric, potatoes, water, and some chili. Or in Amharic, that's zait, ziga, shinkut, net shinkut, chow, erd, dinich, wuha, and karia. So next up, our potatoes. You can see how I've cut these. There's about 3 to 4 cups there, so kind of roughly equal amounts to the meat that we've got. We're gonna, once again, on this above medium heat, spin this around for about another 4 or so minutes. Very simple, like I say. So next up, and our final thing we're going to add is we're going to add some water, or wuha. I'm using cold water, kaskaza wuha, enough to kind of cover it there. And all you want to do now is just turn it down to a medium and let this dish go until your potatoes are nice and tender. And because I've used a really beautiful cut of lamb, obviously we need our meat nice and tender. Give it a stir every now and then. Really, really simple. Check it for salt, and we can serve it. Now, the only thing we're going to add now is some fresh chili that we're just going to throw on the top as we serve it. Nice and simple, absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. I'm a Seganalo.